How to download and install Clubhouse. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install the Clubhouse application. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to open your mobile device and then head over to your Play Store and launch your Play Store. Once your Play Store has been launched, you will be brought to the home page where you will see a number of options, and by the bottom part of the screen you will see an icon for games, apps and search. Just click on the search icon and then in the search box type out Clubhouse app download, then select the Clubhouse app and then you will see the option install by the right side of the screen where you can see open for me. All right, you see the option install. So as you can see that, just click on install and then the app will be downloaded, and after it is done downloading, it will be installed automatically to your mobile device, just like mine has been installed here. And then you can just click on open in order for you to create an account and you can start using your Clubhouse application. So this is how you can download and install Clubhouse on your mobile device. Thank you for watching and have a good day.